you supported the end to sit at home. So I'd like to know what your immediate reaction would be to the arrest of Simon Ekpa.
I supported the arrest. I was crying and I was wailing. I was begging that those of them in the authority should get hold to Simon Ekpa. Because I made Simon the coordinator of Biafra in Finland. Then he turned around. Simon came in from the angle of destruction. That was not what we were preaching for. We were just asking Nigerians to allow us to be. We are here. For God has created us and placed us here in a land that is flowing with milk and honey. And the enemies don't want us to stay. If my enemy wants me to die, or he's playing a music that will take me to the other side, must I dance to that music? Simon was everything that the enemies wanted for us. So, I love the arrest. And of course, you know that since that arrest, a kind of calm, a kind of normalcy is returning here.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I started by playing this woman's video. The person that you just listened to now is called, is it Reta and the Bog? Right? Reta and the Bog, that's her name. Akatojo. Some people don't understand that everything you do in this life have repercussion. When you listen to somebody who's supposed to, who is in position to teach other people how to be cultured, manners, seeing them lying, bringing lies that is, even the devil self will be like, wow, that this person is beating my record. Bro. The lies from some of, this our generation. What I mean by my generation, I'm not in the same age with her. She is a very old woman, but people who don't understand that your words sometimes matters a lot. This woman have nothing to do with the PM, not zero. Even if let's say by mistake at all, if they know themselves is not connected to IPOB. We all know when PMs are first. Rita Nabogo is already out from the picture. She is no longer with Mas Namonikano. She used to be, in IPOB. She's one of the, top person, if I may use the word. Even though I don't know her job, but Masakano cherish her to some extent. But that does not mean that everything goes through her. She knows nothing about PM. I am not here to tell you, oh, she's celebrating the arrest of Mas Simon Ekpa. She celebrated the arrest of Mas Namonikano. So what are we talking about? It is very clear that you understand who they are and what they stand for, what they represent, without painting words. Now, one thing I want us to understand here is that people like her are still many. Everything that support or represent IPOB DOS, not IPOB as an organization. I'm talking about DOS IPOB. This is one of the products of DOS, even the current DOS today. Because some of them that are still, oh, we are DOS, we are this, we maintain structure of Master Mekano, they are all just like this woman. The difference between them and this woman is that those women have been there before them and they are following the same template. Not that they actually want anything meaningful or anything successful to happen or take place in Biafra. She claimed that she's the one that made PM coordinator in Finland. This is not, I'm not aware, and I have never seen anybody that says that PM have worked or served as IPOB coordinator in any country. The only thing that we are aware of is PM serving as chairman of Igbo group in Finland, leaders of Igbo in Finland. and that's his position and his involvement is not hidden. Do you think that this man PM that all of you know is somebody that has secret, like something that he is have, he's kind of moving, he's the kind of people that move, this crooked movement, this hidden agenda, hidden plan, doing backyard business. Do you see PM as a man? You see him the way he is as somebody who can venture into that kind of thing. Rita Anibog said a lot of unimaginable things against Mazda Morgan. She did not even hide it. She did not. She felt that she's untouchable. I'm not saying anybody should go and touch her. But sometimes you need to understand that when somebody who loves your enemy and pretend that he's speaking on your behalf is actually your enemy. Because the person that loves your enemy is capable of leaking your information and what you are boasting about to that enemy, because he don't see that your enemy as his or her own enemy. Why did he move away from Manchester Monaghan? He's here telling you the reason why he was praying and begging federal government to arrest PM. And she said that the IPOB they were calling on is to beg Nigerian government to tell them that we are here. We have our land that full of milk and honey. Give us, an enabling environment to excel. Please, my people, let us be honest. You have John Mazamagano, or you have listened to Mazamagano. How long did it take you to know what Mazamagano is capable of? To know that Mazamagano is willing to fight for his people? How long did it take you to realize that Mazamagano is not here to play politics? I know that we have different time frame. Like some of us that just that once you listen to Master Meccano, you were able to predict what he can do. Some it took them some months, some even a year. Some might even stay, struggling to make up what Master Meccano represents. That's why it is easy for some of us that have already concluded that Master Meccano is for this, he can do this. We can tell you what he can do and what he cannot do. That was why we were able to tell you that when they said that he ordered them to stop sitting at home, that even if he said that, he said it under duress. Many people did not like that statement. When PM said that until he comes out before he can listen to him, some people said, no, why would you say that? That you don't need to do that, because they are unable to identify or to define what Mazda represents. If you know what he represents and what he wants, the motive and the agenda of his agitation, the style of his agitation, you understand the kind of person that he is. He's not a violent type. Master is not a violent type. He's not somebody that likes cheating and manipulation. He loves everything being open, and he likes to, he wants you to argue with him so that he will be able to lecture you, or you end up teaching him. He don't like, ahaba. He don't like that. This lady claimed that she joined IPOB. That when he noticed that IPOB is something else, she decided to move away. That's a lie. Because if you have worked with Mazda with with all your sincerity, you know that this is what this man, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, actually wants. You already know. For you to join his, team or the leadership, or to see yourself as one of the leader, simply means you have already defined what the job is all about, what the group is all about. You cannot be with IPOB 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, and you end up telling me that you later find out that it's a lie. And that is why I am saying what I said in the past. People who are throwing PM today pretend that PM or Odogu Obato, fine. Are you able to define what PM represents? That is why today, just minor, something that doesn't even worth arguing, They have argued about it. They have fought each other. They are still fighting each other. Just 1 week or 3 days, PM, is not here. People who have been following him started talking out of point because they joined the government, Biafran government, not because they want to add value, but they join to earn something. When you join an organization to earn something, you end up missing the main definition of the group, what they want and what they represent. That's why you see somebody today telling you that conflict resolution committee is not an electoral body, and they're using it proudly, telling you that they have elected somebody, that CRC elect somebody. This is just these are the kind of thing that give birth to that kind of thing, because you refuse to understand what the group is all about. What is their primary purpose? That is what this lady is pretending here. We already know that her main focus is politics and money. She joined to make money. And once that money appears, every other thing, she will pretend that she don't know. All of you are, no, I don't want violence. No. You can't say the same thing. I don't want, as if you were not aware of what the group is meant to be. Like I said, this is not a call for violence. Masakan is not a violent person. He doesn't support violence. Even PM don't. What the difference between PM and Masakan is nothing. There is no difference. Forget about propaganda. PM is not fighting something that that is not supposed to fight about. He is fighting to defend, not fighting to attack. They are two different things. Somebody, let's assume that you're a married man. You live with your children, your wife, in the night. Maybe let's say at maybe 11, 12 in the midnight. Unknown people started banging at your door. You don't know them. Backing. They are banging on your door, trying to penetrate, trying to pull your door down, looking for a way to come in. The first thing that will come to your mind is armed robber. That these people, they have come to, they want your life. You don't know what they're there to do, but you already know that their presence is very harmful. It will be harmful if you're not prepared, and you have some catapult and gravel in your house. What will you do? Will you look for your catapult and start loading it gravel, or you just go and open the door and tell them, please, don't harm me, please? What will you do as a man? You understand what I'm saying? They don't want to tell you the truth. I don't want to deviate from what the video is all about. So you can see I'm trying to retrieve myself from what I wanted to say, because I know if I am to go more, the video will be very, very long. But let us focus on the issue of this Rita and Ibog. Rita and Ibog, that woman have mishandled in many times. In 2015, it's not 2015, there was a time they wanted to do general election. That Mazen Kanu announced not sit at home, no election in Biafra land. That was when this IPB, those of them that are trying to negotiate with Tinubu and Sheyi Tinubu, like Canada and the rest of them. There was this song they normally sing that song that time. Some of you know that. Unless if you just joined. That time, this Tanibog was very vocal, insulting Masnamkan. Then, before PM joined, before C19. Before C19. That time, this woman, she's no longer with Inamodekan. She was no longer with Mazamodekan. But you can hear her now pretending that she actually, she was the one that made PM coordinator in Finland. Coordinator. So, my people, on this comment section, I want you to tell me if you have If you are aware, or have anybody informed you about it, that PM have served as coordinator in Finland, IPOB coordinator. Please, if you have seen something like that, I would like to learn from you. Okay, I would like to learn from you. Please let me know. Now, she said that she rejoiced, that she's very happy. It's a welcome development. That's her choice, right? Because maybe you hate PM, maybe you see PM as your enemy. You see PM as somebody, maybe you don't like anything about him. You don't like anything about him. And you want anything that is going to have take him away. So that is her choice. But we are here to say the truth without adding anything or subtracting anything. Some people were happy when Master Kano was kidnapped. So I will add her to that kind of category, to the category of people who rejoice when something bad happened to their own people. That's a story for another day. But the idea of telling me now that after the disappearance of PM, that an Igbo is not peaceful, that is an abominable statement. That's one of the worst statements I will have ever. That one of the worst statements that I will hear today. Today, I don't want to say this week or I have ever listened to anybody. Today, this is one of the worst statements of the day, because we are seeing people, even if you don't have conscience, like I know many of you don't. People like her, many of them, anybody that even in the US, you don't have conscience, and your conscience is don't. The difference between your conscience is broken. Now maybe you have lost it forever. You can't. It's not beyond repair. That is where some of their conscience. Some conscience. Some people conscience maybe you may say, okay, it can be managed. Maybe something will repair it. No. Those ones have lost their conscience. That to the extent that even if they want to repair it, they don't know how to find it, the damaged one, for them to go and repair it. Zero conscience. People are dying. Kidnapping is now in numbers. This is not failing tales. Like it's not tales by moonlight. I'm telling you the real fact. In Imo State, women, children, the video is, if you're not on X, please register X. You will see more videos on X, because there they don't have any restriction of graphic images. Here on this YT, you don't post that kind of video. You dare not. You can only talk about it. If you post it, they will take you out. So, but if you have X account, watch some of the videos that is coming out from our villages. Imo State, Anambra, Enugu, the list is on and on. Not only there, if you see the one that happened in Yoruba land, my goodness, I watched one of the brutal video. If you see the graphic image that is coming out from Yoruba land, you understand that every zone is in danger. PM that this woman is celebrating that they arrested, that he has been arrested, was the one preventing us. Even the leftover, what he gave to our people is somehow still protecting us, but in a minimum level, because people that are like right and above are still in the Biafran government. That is why everything has slowed down, and Fulani and their cohorts are rejoicing and celebrating, moving freely without any caution. They don't care, because nobody is going to stop them, nobody's going to question them, and to them, that is what they call Southeast is now secured. I saw a post of a mega gift that last week. One of the first things at home after the convention, he agreed that Biafrans are now sitting at home willingly. These are the people that were telling you that they are forcing people. They will keep on sending you a video of when they send their own group to destroy Akede. Stage managed video. They use that and tag Finnish government and use that to do great propaganda. Something that they know that they are the one that executed that act. But they come out in public, they decide to use it in public to buy favor, to lie, to deceive people. Rita Nebogo is one of the people. People who don't have any iota of shame. A woman, for that matter, a mother. The blood of innocent people are just like nothing. to her. Because she's not blind. Is she blind? She's not deaf. She can see, she can hear. So what are we talking about? I'm not here to tell you that maybe she have not seen that. No, 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 no. As long as you open your mouth and say that an Igbo land is not peaceful after PM disappearance, it simply means that you are part and parcel of the problem. You are the insider. Directly or indirectly, you are a partaker in what is happening to our people. Narrow it down to the current Biafran government in exile, some cabalism and cabals pretending that they are honorable members. Honorable what? Honorable, isn't it? You are honorable member. But you are bragging that we have not seen that Biafran have not seen anything. Our people's body are littered in the village. You can go there and see how people lie lifelessly on the floor without no hope, no question. Imo State have not released any have no press release, nothing whatsoever, because to them you are just an animal. And Commissioner of Police of Imo State, did he or she say anything? Zero. I'm not expecting. I'm just trying to tell you, some of you that believe so much that one day it shall be well. You understand? One day everything, hope of will turn to born again and start preaching gospel. You know, most of you, you don't care because when you see bodies of people, it's not as if these people are armed by maybe out of that Nigerian soldiers or army or police are so lucky or they were so lucky to buy their opponent. No, these are people's villages, like their houses, their homes. Some are even in their still room. They drag them out and buy them in cold blood. These are things people, after seeing that, you will still have the temerity to come out to lie, using pretend that you did not see what is very look what something that is staring at your face. You are still pretending. Some of them that are in government today are potential rat and Igbo. Potential in few years to come, they will be celebrating the arrest publicly of another Igbo person. Whether you are in support of Biafra or you're not support of Biafra, I don't give a damn. Well, my own concern is that you must not support everything. But you see, when our people cry, if you are truly, if you mean good for our people, the cry of our people should also reflect in your own eyes. Whether from Imo State, Abia State, Enugu State, Anambra, Delta, all these regions, some of us, even what is going on in the north bothers us. Like someone like PM. PM is very, very emotional person. Forget about all some of us. I don't know him in person, but I can tell you, PM is somebody who cares about humanity. That is why he devoured to protect our people. You think it is easy? How many of you can sacrifice your job, even ordinary broadcast, come online like this and talk? It's not as if you guys don't know what to say. You know. It's not as if you are afraid to say anything. No, you are not afraid. Many of you. But the problem is that can you devote it? Can you sacrifice your work and do it? No, no, no. And that's why it is so easy for some of them to say, "Oh, you are making money out of it. Why don't you join and make the money? Come and do it." By the time you post 1 month, then you see how easy it is for you to do it. Keep on looking. You understand? I don't know. I don't want to go there, but you get the point. To serve people that don't value your service is one of the most difficult tasks to do. People, when you see people, asking PM, "Where's your strength? Where's your strength?" The strength of PM lies on the people that are acknowledging what he's doing. The smile that he's putting in the face of people are the reason why he did what he's doing what he's doing, because today he's still serving his people. Mass American is the same, that have actually, have done a lot of things. He laid down everything he has as a man, even his parent. But how do we value that thing that he have done for our people? Some are secretly celebrating that he's still in detention. You see a politician, a well-known Oyoshi, Nezue go with And I bushel yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, in the name of politicians and the governors. Telling you that, oh, we are going to remove some kind of, Southeast economy, Southeast security. Now that PM is not here, how about the Southeast security and livelihood? What is going on? Rita and Ebogo saw the opportunity to, make money that she couldn't make in her tender age. She jumped in. Now she want to trend with PM's name. It's not gonna work. And I don't know her handle. I don't know anything because I would like her to see the reaction of her nonsense speech. Emeka Gift, who is also Rita Nebogo's kind of person, but Rita is more honorable than Emeka Gift because at least Rita Nebogo showed her face. We can tell you that she's fair in complexion. She's this tall, she's this short. Can we describe Emeka Gift if not that PM showed us one picture that is the Emeka Gift, which some people are doubting. Some said yes, but a video of Emeka Gift can Emeka Gift, this is that the world was saying what he felt about PM in the public, just like she has done to Master Kano. Let's not get it twisted. Why she's not talking about Master Kano here, insulting him like he normally do, because he knows that now people may stone her in the street. On the streets of Igbo land, maybe she will receive somehow, a welcome development or welcome song or welcome greetings from Biafrans. Everybody knows what Masakano represents at this point in time. So all of them that used to dance and celebrate the PM Masakano is in detention. Some of them are doing it now in their rooms because you never can tell. Maybe lovers of Masakano is beside you. You don't know. That's why she don't. Normally, if you know how, you know what I'm saying, and I want somebody to validate what I'm saying on comment section, because so it should not be as if I'm the one cooking it up. Rita and Ibogo have attacked Masamakano severally, not one, not two, not three. Emeka Gift is here telling you that Rita and Ibogo, one of the haters of IPOB and Masamakano, says she appointed Simon Ekpa as Finland coordinator. All right. Now, what do you think he asked? Why Emeka Gift quoted this thing as title of this video is because Emeka Gift know that Mr. Bob is lying. But for the fact that the video is against PM, he has to share it and pretend that he don't know the meaning. That Mr. Bob is as evil as himself. Now, ask yourself this question. If Rita Nebogo see PM as a problem, Rita Nebogo, can you repeat what you used to tell us or what you used to say about Masakan? When Masakan was renditioned, kidnapped, he made a statement like this: that it is good, that is the best thing because he's killing our youth, he's destroying our region. She said similar thing. She was even against. She was against sit at home because she knows that just like US we are against at home, because they understand that sit at home is to protest against the detention of Master Monokano. As a haters of Master Monokano, even Emeka Gift acknowledge that here. Like I told you just now, Emeka Gift said this. He wrote this, and I'm gonna read it again. Rita Anebo, one of the haters of IPOB and Master Monokano. What makes Rita Anebo haters of IPOB and Master Monokano? That you yourself from DS are not also in line saying the same thing. You see, the lies and the way they pretend sometimes makes me worried, because that's not how to live your life. Now, you know that she is haters of Master Monokano and IPOB, right? What did she believe on that you don't believe, that makes you different from her? She hated sit at home. Do you support sit at home? That's how it's not. She hates PM. Do you like PM? That's how it's not. She claimed that Nigerian government and Nigerian security, army and police are the one to guarantee people's life and property safe. You believe the same thing. You see the similarity. And you come out and pretend that, oh, she is the haters of IPOB and Master Monokano, but you are the lovers of Master Monokano and IPOB. That's a lie. So, my people, I want to hear from you. What do you have to say about it? Because when I saw that clip, I decided to play it again to understand, did she actually say this? Because this is exactly what she's known for. I'm gonna play it again so you can hear her and what she believe on. Listen.
You supported the end to sit at home. So I'd like to know what your immediate reaction would be to the arrest of Simon.
I supported the arrest. I was crying and I was weeping. I was begging that those of them in the authority should get hold to Simon Ekpa. Because I made Simon the coordinator of Biafra in Finland. Then he turned around.
Please, this part she said she made Simon Ekpa coordinator of IPM in Finland is a new line of lies. So I also want you to validate that. Is it true or not to know? Is it wrong or right? Because to me, I have never seen anyone mention this thing. This is my first time of hearing it. So if you have heard it before, please confirm. Is it true that PM have served or worked as IPOB coordinator in Finland? Very, very important that you help me on that.
Came in from the angle of destruction. That was not what we were preaching for. We were just asking Nigerians to allow us be. We are here, for God has created us and placed us here in a land that is flowing with milk and honey. And the enemies don't want us to stay. If my enemy wants me to die, or he's playing a music that will take me to the other side, must I dance to that music? Simon was everything that the enemies wanted
from a very well-known saboteur. That Simon is what is everything that the enemy wanted in addition. Then the same enemy, who is the enemy? Nigerian government that she is starving. Now, these are pure DOS. This are above, and some people that I don't want to mention now are just like, when you say emeritus professor, people they have served, they have worked as professor, they have moved to the next level. She is one of the emeritus of saboteurs. Anyway, my people, for the sake of the noise, and I'm not going to continue this video. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and please tell me your own part of the story. What do you think about this video? Do you know that about? What do you know her for? What do you know her for? I want to hear. God bless you and see you again.